When you buy a BMW, you got to expect certain things are going to go wrong, like that. Okay, no problem. You know, if I want to buy one of these from BMW, it's only going to cost, are you sitting down? $250. Maybe I can get an aftermarket one for 80 something. But you know, I'm not a showy guy. Yeah, well, if someone is looking, I'll put it on like this. And if they're not looking, I can drive it like this. No problem. It still works. Well, the question was, do I spend $250 for a shift knob, genuine BMW shift knob, or do I make one? Well, easy answer to that question. Just cut this block of wood, drill the hole in it, cut it, and there it is. How do you like that? It's going to work real good. Well, the only thing now to make it a genuine BMW part, the only difference now it's, there it is. It's going to work just the same. No problem. Here we are. We're going to test it now. Okay, drum roll please. There it goes. Right on there. Look at that. No problem. Okay, BMW. Eat your heart out. Okay, it's all done. I had to put the BMW on there because you wouldn't know it was a BMW shift knob if I didn't. But I tell you, it's got everything the $250 shift knob has except the lighted dial. Now let me tell you, if you need a lighted dial to tell you which gear to shift into, you shouldn't be driving this car or any car in the first place. Bye-bye.